Hey, so we're about to go drop the van off and then catch the ferry to Larkspur and then go to a swimming hole that we've been told about. So I'm going to take you along with me for that. And they've just let us borrow their van. It's like a little old Volkswagen. They're really hard to come by in New Zealand. But we're having trouble starting it, so we might have a flat battery, but that's alright. We got the van going and now we're going to go to Veggie Grill. This is the first time that I'm going to Veggie Grill, so I'm looking forward to it. I've heard it's a pretty good place.
Oh yeah! Oh! Yeah!
Are you going to go to Veggie Grill?
God, we're nearly just gonna crash.
I'm trying to get used to driving on the other side of the road.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Well, Scott is. We've had a few moments. That's right. So we finally found the swimming hole. Woohoo! Sorry, it's a little bit windy out here. So we jumped in and had a wee swim around. It was real nice. And I'm not sure what we're going to do tonight. Maybe just chill out here. It's nice and quiet. There's not many people around here. So yeah, I'd say the swimming hole is probably a place that only locals know of. Hey, so we've camped out in a random spot beside the road. I can't see you, it's so bright. But behind us is like, it's a whole lot of it's like a bay right up there. And we watched some really cool thunder and lightning storm last night. Went for like 3 or 4 hours, lots of flashing. So yeah, that was really nice. So now we're just gonna have some breakfast, have some oats probably, and then we'll drop it back at their house, and then we'll go on some more adventures. I'll take you along for that as well. So a change of plans, and we've decided to go to the beach before we drop the van off. It's quite nice out here, it's very quiet. A few people surfing. It's really nice sort of property. It's probably one of the quietest beaches we'll ever go to if you go to a beach in the United States. So we're just about to catch the ferry back to town, and I'm just eating some of the goodies that I got from Good Earth in Fairfax, with a vegan walnut chocolate chip cookie. And we got taken around a few of the other shops around there, and just by a friend of ours, who's like a local to the area, and was telling us a lot of information about all sorts to do with the place. It was really cool. And then I think we're just going to have a look at some of the travel options that we might have for after the States tonight, and I'm just going to cook some dinner before we fly to Los Angeles tomorrow.